Okay, so today I want to talk to you about how to create your own system properties page. Now, whether you're developing your own application in ServiceNow or you've been just a standard administration and doing some customizations, you probably at some point will need to create a system property to support your application. So if we go to sys properties.list, right? You've maybe created certain system properties for your application. Now, if you're smart, you have a good naming convention for your system properties. For instance, I'm doing some development work for GSI internally, and I've created all of these system properties to hold the sysids of these different support groups. That's just so that the support group record may get deleted or removed or something like that. Whatever it is, its sysid can just be updated here as a system property instead of having to go in and edit code. It's highly recommend you never want to hard code in a sysid. So instead of that, you use system properties. Well, here we go. We can get to the system properties list like this, or I don't know, I'm sure you're used to seeing something like incident properties here. So you got this nice page of ways to update properties. Well, these kind of things can be generated automatically. It's all using this system properties UI.do. Alright, so I'm going to set up a system properties page so I can configure these groups much easier. So the first thing that I want to do, right, is create a category for my system properties. So we come here to System Properties Categories, click New. Alright, I'm going to call this GSI System Properties. Alright, I could give it, obviously a whole lot more information than that, but this will work. Submit that. I want to actually reopen it. And then I'm going to add all of the properties that I want that I've created for my internal development, right? And I've all given them prefix of GSI. So I can just simply add them like this. Save that. And now that's my system property category all set up. Alright. Next, I want to have this all in its own application menu. So I'm going to create an application menu here. And this is going to hold like either I've got a new application or like I said, I'm just using regular ITSM stuff. We're just going to call this GSI custom. So it's going to be, I might have additional things besides this one module, but I'm just going to call this GSI custom. Right? And in my GSI custom, I'm going to have a module. Okay. I'm going to give it the title of GSI System Properties. Right. I can order it, give it a hint, whatever. The important part here is this link type. And for that, we're going to do URL from arguments. So what are the arguments? Well, I'll explain this to you after I paste it in here. Alright. So the argument that we're putting in is system underscore properties underscore UI dot do. So this thing actually generates the UI. right? Then we're giving it a title, GSI properties. It's just what the title of the page is going to be, like this is module. And then category is my GSI system properties category that I created, right? And URL from arguments. These are the arguments. Substitute, what you want for the title and what you want for the category with what you're doing. Submit that. And then if we would like to, I'm just going to refresh here. And now I should be able to type in GSI. Here's my GSI custom and my GSI system properties. There we go. And now I can cut and paste the sysids for all of these different teams, and I have this in this nice, easy to configure page. Well, give it a try.